Yeah, brought you back. Only because we're on Killara Road, coming up to Gruyere, Gruyere, Gruyere. Oh gee, these names, I tell ya, they do your head in, mate. Gruyere. Hello, Gruyere. Seriously, what happened to frickin' English names? Bloody Gruyere, I don't know what kind of name that is. Anyway, yeah, and I don't think I've been on this road this way. I think I've been on this road coming the other way, and it's very scenic. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you on and have a squiz. This is our first stretch of the day. Nice morning here as the light shines over the forest and we get a shimmering light through the leaves and the trees, and as the road winds tighter and unwinds wider, you know, it's looking pretty good. Killara, Killara. Let's see what's in front of this one. There's that's a F bike, that one, F800, brown one. There's a couple of houses and playgrounds and things, you know, civilization they call it. Now I'm just being silly. Okay. There's a nice bend, eh? Don't want to go off that. Ooh, gravel. Oh, gee. Oh, look at that hill. Look at that. See, look at that countryside, eh? Oh, look at that view. Look at that. Get a look at that, eh? Hey? Europeans, eat your heart out, mate. Eat your heart out. Oh, look at that. Mention a house here. I should tell my partner, Cindy, no, actually her name's not Cindy. She told me last night her real name's Cynthia. Thanks for telling me. Oh, by the way, my real name's Cynthia. City. How about living in here, Cynthia? Nice. Yeah. It's like a piece of art, isn't it? Oh, look at that up and down dip. Still on Killara Road. We're killing it on Killara. Nice. Feels good. Got that fresh morning air about it, you know what I mean? And me bones are nice and rested. Got that fresh morning feel on my body. Had me bacon and egger and me cappuccino, and I'm ready for her. Ready for the day. Dip it. Oh, he's dipped it. Oh. Not a bad piece of road, eh? And here we go. Couple of horses on the courses. Tractor, he's up, Billy. Tractor guy's up, Billy. What's he doing? Digging around. Yeah, I don't think I've been through here before. Coming up to Seville East. Oh, now we're on Sunnyside Road. Oh, turn to Sunnyside Road there somewhere. Reddy. Oh, didn't I pass him before? Is that a duplicate? It's a Reddy F700. I thought the previous one was like that too. There's a double. I'm seeing double today. Gee, I hope it's not the beer from last night, but that looked like a dupe. Killara estate there. Over the hill and through the gravel far away. Now we're teeing it. Where are we teeing it? Got no idea where we're teeing it. Warburton Highway. Ah, right. So that's where we're teeing it. Warburton Highway. Oh, now we're going to tee it again. So quickly on, quickly off. Ewan loves the back roads. Ewan's a back road man. He's not a backdoor man. No, he's not that one. No back doors for him. Well, I don't know. Well, that's the thing. You don't know sometimes with people. They live double lives, you know. Who knows what he does in his spare time. Well, as far as I know, Ewan's not a backdoor man, but he is a back roads man for sure. He loves the back roads, as we all do. Bloody rippers. So we're on Old Warburton Highway now. Old Warburton Highway. Yeah, looks pretty old to me, I'd say. I reckon there was some few Holdens and Fords coming down this way back in the day, before the main highway. It's pretty, eh? Look at all these houses just nestled here and there, you know? It's nice. You know? It's pretty cool. It's homely, you know? Bloody cold, I reckon. Some of these places, unless you're on a little hilly bit, some of these places I reckon are just cold sacks, you know? Just cold sacks where it gets chilly and humid, you know? You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Huh? You cupfish? Oh, here we go. Some more views for you. Old Wobbo Highway. Bit of gravel here and there. That's alright. I can gravel it up. I just dip it, see? Dip, scrape, dip, scrape. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Adjust my suspension. Let's do that. Let's put it on hard, like Cynthia. Hard. No, hang on. That's not like Cynthia. Hard like Nelson. Hard. And then I just need to raise it up when I stop. Got to get some more ground clearance, you know. Get some more ground clearance so I don't peg it. I don't want to peg it. I'll put the suspension up when I stop. If I had this year's model, I think I'd be able to put the suspension up on the go. But because I ain't got that model, I can't be putting it up on the go. Who's this black dude? Oh, he's the black R. Black R. Alright, I just passed Black R, looking good. He looks cool riding that. It's a nice setup. That's the thing with Beamers. They're all pretty nice setups. And I'm trailing Blinker Lady. I think that's Blinker Lady. She likes to leave a blinker on. Just random. Just for the hell of it. Just for safety, you know. Just for safety. I think that's the Blinker Lady. I've forgotten her name though. She's been to Africa. Yeah, she's been to Africa. She tried to go on a dirt ride once. Tried to. I think that's the lady that I'm thinking about. I've had a couple of coffees with her. But I reckon in the Beamer Club, when you have coffees and that, it's like a... Oh, there's pictures of me. It's like an anonymous club. It's like Riders Anonymous. You just turn up and talk, but you don't ask any personal details. You just go, hey, how you doing? Yeah, how are you? Yeah, good. How's your bike? Yeah, very good, yeah. How are you going? Yeah, okay. It's none of this, and what's your name? No, fuck the names. Oops, sorry, not supposed to swear. Let's keep it civilized, people. But you know what I mean? I'm sure people ask names, and the names are written. I should know. Okay, I'll stop making excuses. I'm just terrible with names. I'll know her face though, so I reckon that's the lady face that I know in front of me. Cruisy. I think she's got a 600, 650. Yeah. Alright, well, I think that's it for now. I'll bring you back when it gets a bit windy, eh? But there's still some nice back ones for you. Yeah, it was alright. Later.